Well, hello everyone and welcome to today's little extra video we're doing. So I might have tracked an International Space Station transit across the sun called, a solar ISS transit. Now these are pretty common. If you go to transit-finder.com, I believe that's the link. It could be .org too. I'll put a link, and if you go there, you can look at your area and where you have lunar and solar transits. And today, conveniently found a transit where I go beach metal detecting a lot. So we went metal detecting, didn't find anything today, and now we're here and gonna look at the transit. So my setup here, using a Nikon P1000 little external monitor. I am live streaming this, so I have to use clean HDMI, so it's only gonna be 1080p, 30 frames per second. The plan is to then stitch together the frames if we get a successful transit and make an image, and then slow down the video as well. So I will put a solar lens on here. You do not want to look at the sun without a proper solar lens. And let's see what happens. The transit's supposed to be at 10:48, and we're supposed to be right on the midline. So if you go to that transit-finder website, you can go right on the midline of the transit. Do check it leading up to it. So earlier this week I typed in the transit and I thought I'd have to go to the wetlands. I checked it last night and this beach was more center and it wasn't even at the wetlands anymore. So you definitely want to stay up to date and check it on that site. All right, when I come back, it should be the recording of looking into the sun and showing the transit. Let's hope it works. I'm getting everything in focus here, or there is a little bit of glare. Let's get it centerized. That's a good magnification there. We could go to there, but I am going to be stacking these images, so I'm worried about the stacking. So I only have to hold it steady for 1 second. I think that's good right there though. So the entire transit should last a second. I don't know how well we're gonna see it, and I'm not gonna take pictures, I'm just gonna take screen grabs from the 1080p recording. So it's 10:47 on my watch right now. Now it's coming from the top and coming to the bottom. So it should come straight down through the image. 10:48:06. Okay, should be in about 20 seconds. I'm not going to look at my watch or chat. And let's see if we can see this. If not, everything's a lie. Oh my God, there it was! Did you see it? Did you see it? And the police are here now too. Oh my God, that was it! That was it! We got it! I think we got it. I just looked at the footage and you could see it going right down through the middle there. Man, that was fast though, right? So what I'm gonna do with the footage is I'll slow it down, and I'll also try to stack an image of putting each frame together. So we'll see how that looks in the end there. But wasn't this awesome with the P1000 here? And I was able to share it live on Twitch. So if you happen to have missed it live on Twitch, again, this is decided to turn this into a YouTube video as well, since it was so cool that you can see this live on Twitch at twitch.tv/DrWD40. We do beach metal detecting and all sorts of fun out here on the Space Coast. So yeah, thank you for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed the transit. Maybe next time we can try for a lunar transit. All right, see you everyone.